It's sticky, it's shiny. But what is earwax anyway, and where does it come from? Hi, I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at earwax removal. Earwax is made in the outer ear canal. This is the area between the fleshy part of the ear on the outside of your head and the middle ear. The skin in the outer ear canal has special glands that produce earwax. The fancy name for this waxy stuff is cerumen. After the wax is produced, it slowly makes its way through the outer canal to the opening of the ear. Then, it either falls out or is removed when you wash. In most people, the outer ear canal makes earwax all the time, so the canal always has enough wax in it. So why do we need wax? Earwax has several important jobs. First, it protects and moisturizes the skin of the ear canal, preventing dry, itchy ears. Second, it contains special chemicals that fight off infections that could hurt the skin inside the ear canal. And finally, it acts as a shield between the outside world and the eardrum. When dust, dirt, and other things enter your ear, the earwax traps them so they can't travel any further. Sometimes it builds up and needs to be removed. I personally use a lighted pick to clean my ears. I'll put an Amazon link to my favorite below. Thanks for watching. Hey there, medical fans. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. Please take a moment to pick up our custom earwax removal kit from the link below. It's the only kit officially sanctioned by your favorite earwax specialist. It comes with 3 heads, extra batteries, and an irrigator tool. Check it out by clicking the Amazon link below.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.